think most times we go through life on automatism, not really paying attention to details, not acknowledging the silent and fleeting thoughts that evaluates the fragrances and odors toiling in the air, or heeding those phantom warnings packed with curiosity and mingled with hints of fear. We ultimately miss rewarding opportunities, and are often met with all manner of emotions reflecting that disappointment. And we most basically arrive and depart on the shores of disappointment in the ships of failure. Disappointment becomes our constant companion and confidant. Just as likely, we reach the end of our wits and hope seems to vanish like a wisp of smoke on the air. Depression slides right into the open area of minds and hearts and paralyze us. Good news! Today is your day. And the time is now to realize you have the absolute power to change that. Because you are in control. If you are truly tired of being tired, today, you can change the course of your outcomes. How, you ask? By changing the way you think about and expect things to happen. Expect the best results, expect to win, expect to achieve. You may not accept this. However, until you test it, you cannot refute it. Look at it this way. In order to get something you never had, you must do something you never did. Remember, you are in control.